guys, let's achieve this look in this video right here, right now. So first step, we will be using a primer, which is the Baby Skin from Maybelline, to cover some pores of your face. So I'm applying it all over my face to hide some pores. For color corrector, I'll be using this Kate Tokyo color corrector, which is included in their foundation when you buy it in Japan. So I got this from Japan. It's perfect for correcting some blemishes in your face, like darker under eye and pinkish parts of your face. So it has a green and pink one. Dabbing it in on my face to make it smoother. For foundation, I'll be using this MAC liquid foundation all over my face. So the pincher of this foundation is already broken, so I'm just using the tube of it. And then blending it with the buffing brush. Gently, make sure you apply it all over your face. And to make it smoother, I'll be using a beauty blender. For concealer, I'll be using this Maybelline concealer. And also making this a highlighter on the highest points of my face. And blending it with the beauty blender. Take your time with this part so that you have a perfect smooth touch. And for baking, I'll be using this BYS High Definition Under Eye Loose Powder. It's perfect for baking, but I'm also using it on the lines of my face where I get wrinkles and jawline, so that my cheekbones will emphasize. To blend it all in, I'll be using the e.l.f. No Color Powder. This powder is so perfect because it's only white and it has no color. So as you can see, my foundation a while ago is dark and now it suits my skin tone. Let's proceed to the eyes. I'll be using this Benefit Eye Primer. Eye primer is so important because it makes your eyeshadow last all day. And for my eyeshadow, I'll be using this Dose of Colors Eyescream palette. First is the transition shade. So we will do an eye makeup today with the Cut Crease. So with the transition color. And next is the darker color so that the crease will be emphasized. And then blending it all in to have a perfect cut crease. As you can see, my eyelids looks bigger now. And to make that cut crease perfect, we will be concealing my crease. Take your time in doing this. Make sure you perfect the line of your lids so that you get the perfect one. And then topping that with pigment, which is the pink one from the palette. This color is so pigmented. I love this color for my crease. Make sure you do it perfectly so it won't ruin your cut crease. For eyeliner, I'll be using this Ink Pot Gel Liner from Sleek and a Miniso Eyeliner, which is for my wing liner. In this look for today. So this Sleek Ink palette is so perfect because it's so creamy and super black. It's also a smudge proof eyeliner. Next is my Miniso Eyeliner for my wing. And then buffing all out the bake under my eyes with the buffing brush. For the inner corners or the lower part of my eyes, I'll be using same color as my crease with my transition shade, which is the lighter brown. Next is the darker color, same with my crease. For the inner corners of my eyes, I'm using the gold color, glittery gold color in my palette to highlight my eyes. I'm also using some highlighter under my eyebrows to make my eyeshadow pop. So highlighting is also important because it makes the eyes looks gorgeous. So for my lashes, I'll be using this curler. We're done with the eyes. Let's proceed with the magic. Next is my mascara from Revlon. It's smudge proof and waterproof mascara. It also lasts all day. This is so perfect for an event. Putting it on my eyelashes and lower lashes. For my false lashes, I'll be using this red cherry lashes. It's my favorite lashes. It suits all the eye makeup that I have. For bronzer, I'll be using this MAC bronzer. I don't do contour because my face is already small and long, but I do love bronzing so that I still give definition in my face. And also for my nose line, which is I badly need because I have a bigger nose, so I want my nose line to be so thick. For my blush palette, I'll be using this Flormar Blush Duo. It also has a bronzer, but I'm just using the blush bronzer. For highlighter, I'll be using this sleek highlighter palette. Of course, the highlighter it really pops in your face. It's a perfect highlighter for all makeup artists. It's made from the highest points of your face, like your nose and your cheeks, some like your chin and foreheads. For lipstick, I'll be using this BYS matte lipstick. For lipstick, all over my lip, going to be so take your time and doing your lips to have matte lipstick from BYS, lining my lips perfectly. It's a bit pinkish. I forgot the name of the color of this lipstick, but I'll list it down below. And some pinkish. And then for the middle, I'll be using this color pop and the shade Bumble. In the middle part of my lips. In the middle part of my lips. And I want it to have a gloss, so I'll be using this Victoria's Secret lip gloss. And that's the finished look. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this a thumbs up. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Gustong mawakan ng iyong mga kamay, hanggang ngayon hindi mapalagay. Sana ikaw ay makasabay.